everyone. So I'm just putting some press and seal on my turntable here. So I could show you how I do that. That way it doesn't get all dirty and crappy. But we're going to do a swipe today with our Shelee Art paint. Thought we'd mix it up. You guys know I don't normally do swipes, so this should be a treat for you. A treat. Throw some gloves on. We're going to use a black cell activator and some colors that I was playing with on the past few videos that I absolutely fell in love with. So we shall see how this turns out. So I'm going to go ahead and get some white down. I think that should be plenty, because we will be stretching it out too. And the reason I have it on turntable is so it's easier for me to turn it around. That's the only reason it's on there. Okay, I probably should put a little tacket on there, huh? Or we might be sliding. I really like this stuff. So stick it there, we'll stick it here. And hopefully we'll still be level enough. See what this paint does here for a second. A little wonky, but we'll be alright. Okay. I'm going to use a scraper to swipe with. My goodness, I should have had all this opened up. Well, I have the white down. I'm being really goofy today, I'm sorry. Okay. So, I'm going to start with let's start with the Wine and Roses, because I really love this color. Let's see if I can pour it. And then we're going to follow that with the Sky Blue. So if you watched the last two videos, I use these colors, so you want to go back and watch those to find out what they are. That'll be telling you how I mixed them and all that fun stuff. I like to pop the big air bubbles just so they don't give me problems later. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put the peacock feather on there. Sorry about the camera. I had to change it the other day because it just would not focus in. So now it's like screwed up again. So I'm going to be working on that. Okay, so then I'm going to put some gold down. This is Golden Diamond. It's absolutely beautiful. A little runoff there. That's okay. Alright, so we're going to use a black cell activator. This is Golden's Carbon Black mixed with the Australian Floetrol. Okay. So now we're just going to swipe. And that black's going to probably sink, so I'm probably going to have to add more. Let's try it this way. Yeah, I can see it's already sinking. We'll put that there to keep it from dripping. And it doesn't have to be perfect when you're swiping because we're going to tilt, because you can't leave all that house paint in the middle. I missed a spot. So when you miss a spot like that, don't go back in with your scraper because you're just going to leave a line. But I like to cut this paper up, and you can just pull it through. And that should fix it. I'm not worried about this edge. I'm more concerned with right here. I'm adding a little more black. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, so let me see if I can get it off of here. And we'll take the turntable out. We'll set that down. So pretty. Okay, so let's tilt. So we have to get that paint off of the canvas because there's so much. And I definitely don't want a straight line swipe. And I'm going to come down here. So now I can pull it with my finger because this paint is so much heavier than acrylics when we pour. Kind of lost my color there, didn't I? So let's head up to that corner. Because when I bring it down, I can probably get rid of some of that white. And then we'll head down here. Help it over. So that's kind of cool right there. I like that it's not like a true swipe with lines back and forth. I like that it's mixed up a little bit. Ah! I dripped in my cell activator. That's okay. I'll spoon it out. Gosh, that's pretty. I wish you could see what I see here. The colors inside of each other. It's so pretty. Let me just get these edges. And then I'm going to give it just a tiny torch to pop those few air bubbles in the middle. And I think I might be done. I think, guys, like I can hear you, right? I think I got it all about that one stubborn little one. There we go. Yep, that's going to be it for this one, guys. I love that droop here. It's not just so plain, and it's really opening up too. That cell activator is just so cool. I really like working with the black. But I'm going to leave it alone. I'm not going to fuss with it. And I will spoon that out of there. Such a mess, isn't it? The world of pouring paint. So subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that bell and you'll get notifications when I upload new videos. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us every Monday night live right here on the channel. We do about 4 or 5 pours and answer questions. We have a good time. Usually, most of the times it's a good time. I don't think we've had any problems. But it's a good chance to come in if you're having issues with acrylic pouring. We're here live and I can either show you or tell you what you might need to do to fix something, or you know, a lot of people have questions about products and we usually give our opinion on certain products. We've used most of them, so. But I appreciate everyone for watching and viewing all my videos. You guys are awesome. There's your close-up. It's just so cool. So those will probably grow a little bit more too. But thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye now.